How to create user role. Tap Common Function. Tap Setting. Tap Role Setting. Tap Add. Write name of role. Example, Manager. Tap tick box to allow user to use that feature. Tap Save to finish. How to create a user account. Tap Common Function. Setting. Tap User Setting. Tap Add. Provide all user information as shown here. Tap Save to finish. How to set standard checkout and check-in time. Tap Common Function. Tap Setting. Tap Hotel Price Role Setting. Set checkout time here and check-in time here. Tap Save to finish. How to add room type. Tap Room Setting. Tap Room Type Setting. Tap Add. Write room type name. Example, Royal. Write standard price, low season price, and high season price. Write room capacity. Tap Save. How to register room number. Tap Hotel. Tap Room Setting. Tap Room Number Setting. Tap Add. Write room number and select room type from the list. Tap Save to finish. How to check in guest. Tap Accommodation Management. Tap room you need to check in. Fill in guest information. Tap Price Setting. Select season price. Tap OK. Tap Check In. Tap OK to finish. How to check out multiply rooms. Tap Accommodation Management. Tap rooms you need to check out. Tap Checkout. Tap Add to Checkout List. In every room you need to check out, tap here and back to Accommodation Management. Tap Settle. Tap Checkout. Tap Settle. Tap Print to print receipt. How to shift room. Tap Accommodation Management. Tap room you need to shift. Tap Room Change. Select New Room. Tap OK. Tap Finish. How to issue report. Tap Common Function. Tap Report Management. Select a report period. Example, Daily Report. Tap Select Date box to choose date, then tap Save. Tap View to view report. How to view accommodation records. Tap Accommodation Records. Type your keyword here to search. Example, guest name. To view more records, tap Filter. Select Check-in or Checkout. Select Start Date and End Date, then tap OK. How to register foods and drinks category. Tap Restaurant. Tap Category Setting. Tap Add. Write category name, example, dessert. Write order number. Tap Save to finish. How to register foods or drinks menu. Tap Restaurant. Tap Menu Setting. Select food category from the list. Tap Add. Write food or drink name, example, yogurt, and its price. Tap Save to finish. How to sell foods and drinks in restaurant. Tap Order. Select foods category from the left. Select food and write quantity you need. Tap Settle in case of discount. Tap Discount. Tap Settle. Tap Print to print receipt. How to view order history in restaurant. Tap Order History. Type your keyword here to search. To view more records, tap Filter. How to add quantity of goods. Tap Shop. Tap Inventory Management. Tap Manual Stock In. Tap Add Goods. Select good and tap plus sign for increasing and minus sign for decreasing quantity of goods. Tap Stock In. Tap OK to finish. How to adjust inventory. Tap Shop. Tap Inventory Management. Tap Inventory Management again. Add Stock Tech. Tap Add Goods. Select Goods. Tap here and write remaining quantity after adjustment. Tap OK to finish. How to register shop goods. Tap Shop. Tap Goods Management. Tap Add Products. Fill product form as shown. Tap Save to finish. How to sell goods in a shop. Tap Goods Sales. Tap Add Goods. Select goods and write quantity you need. Tap Settle. Tap Settle. Tap Print to print receipt. How to check sales history. Tap Sales Inquiry. Tap here to select Start Date. Tap here to select End Date. Tap Go.